Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool design here, and pretty much what this is a heating pad. If you can see for the one that we got right here from a brand called RENPHO. And pretty much the benefit of this product is supposed to help you guys with pain relief, maybe for your shoulder, your back, or anywhere else, especially even for your neck pain as well. If you can see the way how to design it. And they mentioned the way how to design the product, it is like a weighted heating pad as well, to give you guys that comfort and relaxing feeling when you guys do wear it, which is really nice. So this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, here's what the inside looks like. If you guys do take it out, once you guys do take it out, here's what the product looks like. So the first thing inside, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And underneath that, we do have the actual product. If you guys do take it out, once you guys do take it out, here's what the product looks like. And inside, they do have the plug for you to plug it in. And right there, we do have the remote for you to use. So for the plug, it is a two-prong option. And when you guys do open it, this is what the product looks like. So when you guys do feel this part right here, it is weighted. It does have like some sand or something inside, or some beads that give you guys that weighted feeling, which is really nice. And you can see for the color that we do have right here, it is a green gray color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see what you prefer. But when you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. And then here is the other side. Eventually on the bottom right here, they do give you guys a strap for you guys to strap it on and tie it together to give you guys a much more secure fit when you guys do wear it, which is really nice. And for the neck part right here, they do give you guys a button for you to button up to give you guys a secure fit when you guys do put it onto your neck, which is really nice. And supposedly for this product, if you guys want a machine to wash it, feel free to do so. But what I'm gonna do is take this part out, just like that, before you guys do wash it. Once you guys finish washing it, you guys want to let it fully dry before you have to plug in cable to use it. And when you guys feel throughout the product on the side right here, it's also weighted as well. You guys can hear those beads inside. And the way how to design the product, it does have the built-in protection in terms of overheat protection, overcharge protection, etc. And also for the product, it does have an auto-off option where it will turn off by itself, which is really nice. So once you guys do take it out, here's what the product looks like. Now I'm actually put it on to show you guys what it looks like. So literally all you need to do is just put this over your shoulder and your neck area. So just like this. Let me drop the microphone. So feel free to button up this part right here if you guys want to, but it's not required. But just to show you guys what it looks like, if you guys do button up, this actually looks like when you guys do button up. Let me tie this part as well. So once you guys put it on and tie it up, here's what the part looks like in the front. Here is the side, and here is the back. And when you guys do put it on, it actually feels pretty nice. When they mention how it's weighted, it's not like super heavy, but it does have a little bit of weight to it. It's actually very, very light, maybe less than like 5 pounds. But once you guys got it all set up, what you're gonna do is plug in cable and start using it. Alright, so I'm just gonna hold the microphone when I do record because it's hard for me to clip it on here. But once you guys got everything all plugged in, you guys want to turn it on. So once you guys do turn it on, here's what the screen looks like. So you guys can feel free to change the different settings on here in terms of the timer option, the heat option, etc. But see how once we do turn it on, it starts immediately. And once we do turn it on, I can feel the heat starting to build up already. It does feel really warm on my back part. I don't feel too much on my neck yet. Like right now, I do feel a lot of that heat on my lower back right here. And now I'm starting to feel a little bit on my neck, which is really nice. So right now it's at 100 degrees, if you can see. If you guys want to increase or lower it, feel free to press the plus and minus. So the max is 150. And the low is 100. If you guys press the timer option, there's basically 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or 90. And it does heat up really fast when you guys do use it. As we're using it right now, it actually feels really nice. It does give you guys that really warm feeling when we do use it. So that can get like that heat therapy to kind of relax. Especially if you guys are very tired, fatigued, or if you guys are feeling cold. You guys can use this as a heater option to keep you guys warm. So right now, since we do have 100, it's actually pretty low. Let me increase it to 150 and see how that feels. Alright, so now guys set at 150. Let me see how hot I can get. So I can see how it does heat up really fast. It's already at 133. I can feel a lot of that heat already. It definitely feels a lot more warmer than earlier when we do feel at 100. And now they're at 140. So for this product, when you guys do use it, if you guys want to get something that give you guys that heat therapy for like pain relief or just to keep you guys really warm, then that is where one of these actually comes in handy. Like right now, they're at 146. I can feel a lot of that heat that actually feels really nice to kind of relax my lower back or my neck or anywhere else. I could totally see myself using this a lot, especially right now since it is pretty cold. But I feel like once summertime does come, I probably won't use it as much unless if I want to do like pain relief for my lower back or my neck area, etc. But when you guys do use it, it definitely works pretty well and it feels really nice as well. So once you guys are done using it, you can press the power button, turn it off. So very easy and very simple for you to use it. And you see the design of the product actually looks pretty nice when you guys do put it on, which is really cool as well. So whether if you guys want to use it for yourself or if you guys want to get it as a gift for someone else, however you guys want to use it or whoever you want to give it to, that is totally up to you guys. But it definitely works pretty well when you guys do use it. Obviously, you guys won't know the temperature unless you guys do use it yourself, but it does feel really warm when I do use it right now. So that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality heating pad that also has like the weighted option on here as well. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out. And it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.